Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video we will talk about future continuous or future progressive tense. So first of all, let's see what is future continuous tense. The future continuous tense is used to describe an action or event that will be ongoing or in process at a particular time in future. The future continuous tense indicates an action that will be in progress at a specified time in the future. It expresses an action that is expected to happen continuously or repeatedly in future. Now let's see what type of action is used in future continuous tense. The future continuous tense typically describes ongoing or continuous actions that will be happening at a specific point or over a period of time in the future. These actions are not instantaneous or completed quickly. Instead, they are expected to be in progress at the specified time. Like present and past continuous tenses, future continuous also shows the action that is ongoing or in progress. Suppose we have a time frame in the form of this circle, and every action that will happen in future time will be indicated in this particular time frame. And let's suppose that the action will happen at this specific point in future time frame. And what kind of action is this? This will be continuous action. It will not be completed. It will continue. Now let's have a look on the sentence structure of future continuous tense. The sentence structure of simple sentence is subject, shall or will, be, first form of verb with ing and object. Shall is used with I and we, and will is used with all other subjects. For example, at 8 p.m. tonight, I'll be watching a movie. This shows an ongoing action at a specific time. Next year, we will be renovating our house. This shows continuous action over a period of time. I'll be cooking dinner. This weekend, they will be hiking in the mountains. In a few hours, she will be giving a presentation to the board of directors. Next month, we will be celebrating my sister's graduation. For making negative sentences, the sentence structure is subject, shall or will, not, be, ing with the base form of verb and object. For example, at 8 p.m. tonight, I will not be watching a movie. Next year, we will not be renovating our house. I will not be cooking dinner. This weekend, they will not be hiking in the mountains. In a few hours, she will not be giving a presentation to the board of directors. Next month, we will not be celebrating my sister's graduation. And we make interrogative sentences by bringing shall or will at the start of the sentence, then subject, be, first form with ing, object and question mark. For example, will I be watching a movie at 8 p.m. tonight? Will we be renovating our house next year? Will I be cooking dinner? Will they be hiking in the mountains this weekend? Will she be giving a presentation to the board of directors in a few hours? Will we be celebrating my sister's graduation next month? And the fourth type of sentence is negative interrogative sentence. To make negative interrogative sentences, we use this structure. Shall or will, subject, not, be, first form with ing, object and question mark. The examples are, will I not be watching a movie at 8 p.m. tonight? Will we not be renovating our house next year? Will I not be cooking dinner? Will they not be hiking in the mountains this weekend? Will she not be giving a presentation to the board of directors in a few hours? Will we not be celebrating my sister's graduation next month? The entire future continuous tense can be represented in the form of this diagram. In simple sentence, we use shall or will, be, ing with the first form of verb and object. In negative sentence, we use not, be. Subject, shall or will, not, be, first form of verb with ing and object. In interrogative sentences, we bring the helping verbs at the start of the sentence. Then we use subject, be, first form of verb with ing and object and question mark. And in negative interrogative sentences, we use shall or will, then subject, then not, be, first form of verb with ing and object. That's all about today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell icon. If you have any suggestions, please share in the comment box. Thanks for watching.